Go on, I bet you can.
Without spilling a drop.
I bet you will.
1,
2,
2, 3. Right, now, here's your bucket. You've got to do exactly the same. 1, 2, 3.
How's your grub, Dale?
Okay.
So you going motorbike riding again?
Yeah. 100 times.
How many miles have you done today?
4 or 3 miles. Look. Just look at the map, that motorbike. Look like it's breaking down.
Overdo it, don't they?
Yeah.
And they tend to knock a bloke off with a camera.
I suppose I should stand behind
No, I didn't mean it, Phil.
behind the fence, really.